Alright, so on this video we are going to be looking into ad account. Uh, you need to set your ad account first before you can get started with running an ad. So an ad account is where you are going to be creating your ad, managing your ad, setting the payment and so on. So all ads under this particular ad account will use the payment method you are going to set. Under that ad account, you can see as many ad accounts as possible. So let's go to our account now. Let's go back to our account now. All right, so this is the account. Why is this not visible yet? So we go to our business manager. After you must have set up your business manager, or maybe you use the default ad account. If you use the facebook.com/ads manager and it took you to the default ad account that comes with your Facebook account, that one you don't need to create a business manager, right? You can just follow the process, the steps that shows up with adding payment to your ad account and so on, verifying your page, verifying your phone number and so on before you can run ad. But if you are creating a business manager, you have to follow the procedure earlier. So after setting up your business manager, you can come to this all tools, right? Under this all tools, you look for business settings, right? You look for business settings. This is business settings. You click on business settings. Once you click on business settings, it will take you to your business settings interface where you are going to be setting your ad account. You can see under business setting to the left hand side here, you can see add, add account. You click on add account. After clicking on add account, you can see this is the current ad account we have and these are the people having control. So here you can add people to your ad account and you'll be able to manage your ad account from their Facebook account, from their business manager, right? You can add someone, assign them permission and they'll be able to control what's happening on this ad account. They can set up ads on their account and it will be on your account because you are giving them permission to set ad from their account. So if you want to create another account, you can follow the prompt on it, right? After setting up the business manager, here is going to be empty. You can click on add. So by the time you click on add, you see create a new ad account, claim existing ad account, request a shared account. So you are going to click on create a new ad account. You can see I'm not being allowed because I can only uh, create or claim more ad account after several weeks of following their policy, or maybe you have reached their maximum ad account. I've reached the maximum ad account for new user, hence it's showing up. So I cannot create. So yours, you are going to click on create a new ad account. Once you click on create new, it will take you to where you are to insert the name of the ad account. You can see I gave this one Chudi Store. You can give the name of your ad account. The name does not mean anything. You can give any name to it. It's just for recognition. After you click on Chidi Store, you may be asked to select a Facebook page, right? You can select a Facebook page to confirm, or you may not be asked. You can go ahead and just create. After clicking on create, you'll be asked to add a payment method to it, right? You can go ahead and follow the process, but then I am going to show you how to add a payment method definitely, right? Here is view payment method. If I click on open in ads now, you can see view payment method, right? If I click on view payment method now, I'll be able to add my payment method from here. But yours, you may not need to click or follow the process I'm following. Yours may take you directly to add payment method or billing method. So you can just go ahead and add it. You can just go ahead and follow the step that I want to actually take now to add your billing method. It's still loading. All right, you can see it brought me to this place where you can see it's showing current balance $0, right? No payment due at this time. So now there are two ways to set up payment method when you are running an advert, right? There is a postpaid payment method and there is prepaid payment method. Postpaid postpaid payment method is where you add your card details, right? And they will charge directly from your card. While prepaid, it's mostly you funding your account. So you add money directly to the account. That's how prepaid works. So now you can either click on payment method at the left hand side here. You can click add payment method here. Then you can go ahead and select the payment method you want to use. First, select your country of origin, your time zone, and the currency. I don't want to use dollars. I want to use Naira here. So I'll change it to Naira. Change it to Naira. Then I'll click on next. Right. So now the next thing is to select the format of the payment. Let's see if they are going to present. Yeah, you can see there are different options currently here. You can see debit card or credit card. If you use this one, it means you are going to be linking your card directly. If you are from Nigeria, you have issue with this payment method. So if you are from Nigeria, I will not advise you use this. But if you are not from Nigeria, you can go ahead and use it since Naira payment method will not work at your region. Or pay by USDT where you transfer from your phone by pressing your star hash and so on. Or you can pay by bank transfer. You can select this and they will provide an account details for you to transfer to that account. It will reflect on your dashboard. But I prefer to use PayU where I had to fund it directly myself. So I'll select this PayU, then I'll scroll down and click on next. So I'm selecting the PayU Naira payment method with MasterCard so that I'll be able to fund directly. These are applicable for Nigerians. So after clicking on next, it will take you to the next page where you be asked to proceed with your okay, here you can just skip if you don't have your VAT details, but if you have, you can insert it. Okay, so here is where you select the amount. So you type the amount you want to deposit to this account, type the amount you want to deposit, then you click on next. Now, if you are funding, ensure that you fund what you can afford to lose because this is not your account. Facebook is not your property. They can restrict your account anytime. And if they restrict your account and you fund so much on your account, you are going to lose the funds on your account. So I advise that you be minimal in your funding. Fund that will cover you for like maybe 1 2 days before you can add the next day. So next thing is to click on continue. I'll click on continue. Then it will take me to where I can add my card details. So it will pop up. I'll add my card details. They'll charge. They'll send their OTP to my account. I'll confirm the OTP and I'll proceed. So if I click on card, here I will insert all the details, right? After inserting all the details, I'll click on pay now. Then it will take me to where I can confirm my uh, this transaction by inserting the code that is being sent by my bank. I will insert the code, then I'll click on pay now or confirm or submit or whatever that shows up. Then after that, they will process this transaction and they will credit my account. That way, they have converted this payment method to be the default payment method on my account, right? So that way you can fund it. So anytime you want to fund, you want to add the payment method, you want to fund, you don't need to add the payment method all the time. You can say I've added it. So now it's going to be add funds, add funds. So what I will do is to I will go to my business settings, locate uh I will locate ads account or billing payments. If I locate billing payments, it will bring me to this page where I will select the account. Then I will be able to add funds anytime I want to run ads. So anytime I want to run ads, I will always be adding funds. So that is how to do it. You don't need to add your card. Just go ahead and add funds for those of you from Nigeria. But if you're not from Nigeria, you can use the add payment method and select that debit or credit card or any payment method that works with your country that displays at your region. So that's how to set up your ad account and ready to run ads. I hope you find this valuable. If you do, let me know, let me know, let me know.